Today we're going to do a reading from Psalm 37. Do not fret because of evil men, or be envious of those who do wrong. For like the grass they will soon wither, like green plants they will soon die away. Trust in the Lord and do good. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pastures. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him, and He will do this. He will make your righteousness shine like the dawn, the justice of your cause like the noonday sun. Be still, therefore, the Lord, and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when men succeed in their ways, when they carry out the wicked scheme. Refrain from anger and turn from wrath. Do not fret, it leads only to evil, for evil men be cut off, but those who hope in the Lord will inherit the land. And little while, and the wicked be no more. Though you look for them, they will not be found, but the meek will inherit the land and enjoy great peace. The wicked plot against the righteous and gash their teeth at him. But the Lord laughs at the wicked, for He knows their day is coming. The wicked draw the sword and bend the bow, to bring down the poor and needy, to slay those whose ways are upright. But their sword will pierce their own hearts, and their bows will be broken. Better the little that the righteous have than the wealth of many wicked. For the power of the wicked will be broken, but the Lord upholds the righteous. The days of the blameless are known to the Lord, and their inheritance will endure forever. In times of disaster they will not wither. In the days of famine they will enjoy plenty, but the wicked will perish. The Lord's enemies will be like beauty of the field. They will vanish like smoke. This is the word of God.